Imagine yourself in this GMC 2017 Canyon SLE1. If you are looking for an automobile with great features, look no further. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are Driver Alert Package, Preferred Equipment Group 2LE, SLE Convenience Package, Trailering Package, 6 speakers, AM/FM radio, Sirius XM, Premium Audio System, IntelliLink, Radio Data System and Radio, AM/FM Stereo 8 Diagonal Color Touchscreen. This vehicle shows low mileage and has a smooth ride. This car won't be available much longer. Call now to schedule a test drive at our dealership.